Alright, so what I want to do from here is I want to show you guys a couple exercises of what you can do with the grinder cord. Okay, one of the favorites that's real easy to knock out is the row. Okay, ring rows. It's just like a pull-up. Okay, so from there, basically. Okay, that's the ring row. Okay, that's going to work on the back muscles, going to work on the arms, going to work on the shoulders, going to work on the traps. It's a little aerobic too. It's a great exercise. Alright, another exercise I like is the tricep extensions. Tricep extensions. Okay, so you can lean forward just a little bit, put your body weight into it, extend. Okay, that's a tricep extension. Alright, another exercise is the squat. Okay, this is squat. Great exercise, actually kind of aerobic. Another one that we're going to do is a squat jump. This one's really good, explosive power. Alright, that would definitely get your heart rate up. Okay, another exercise is like a wide push-up or even a fly. Okay, just like you're doing in the gym. You can extend it out even further. This. Alright, this is going to be a one-legged squat, also called a pistol. And it's really great because you can assist yourself, do several reps, really good for the legs, building up power in the legs, balance, agility, and we'll give that a go. Alright, that's the one-legged squat, also called a pistol. Alright, so now we're going to show you a couple of the exercises, and we're going to use the foot stirrup or strap, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just show you guys how to get into that. Real simple. It's going to be foot over, let's turn, foot, just like that, okay? So a couple exercises I can do with that are the push-up. Okay, so we got push-ups. Okay, then we can do the knee to chest. Okay, knee to chest. Great exercise for the core, for the abs. Okay, and side to side, that's like an alternating knee raise. Okay, and this is the plank. Okay, just going to hold yourself up in the plank position. Okay, really good on the core, good on the abs. If you do get tired, move yourself down like this plank position here. You can do what's called a dead man. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Just hold yourself right there. on the clock. And that's plank. Okay, now we're going to do just some basic push-ups. Okay, it's really good. It's going to work your core. Okay, we're just going to do push-ups. Okay, that's the push-ups. Alright, so I urge you guys to get out there, check out the video on YouTube of the grinder cord. I'm sure that you guys will find a lot of uses for this. It can replace a lot of equipment that you have in your home, barbells, whatnot. There's a ton of different exercises you can use. You can take this on the road. It's super burly, lifetime guarantee. This stuff is made with military grade, super high quality equipment, all hand sewn. And I think you guys will really get a kick out of it and get a really good exercise. It's going to really help you out a lot. So check it out, SEALgrinderPT.com. Look forward to working with you.